In this video, we're going to talk about the exterior angle theorem of a triangle, which says that the exterior angle equals the sum of the two remote interior angles. So what does that mean? That means that the exterior angle, the outside angle, such as angle E here, equals the sum, or when you add together, the two remote interior angles. Now when we say remote interior, we mean the two angles that are on the opposite side of the exterior angle. So not the one that touches it, not the one that's supplementary, but however the ones that are on the other side of the triangle, inside interior angles. So, again, the exterior angle is the sum of the two remote interior angles. So the exterior angle, which is angle E, is the sum of the two remote interior angles, which is the sum of 60 plus, remember, this box means that the angle is 90 degrees, it's a right angle. So the exterior angle E is the sum of the interior angles 60 and 90. So the sum of 60 and 90 is 150 degrees. Moving on to the next example. Our exterior angle is B. So the exterior angle B is the sum of the two remote interior angles. In other words, the sum of 58 and 90. So B is the sum of 58 and 90, which is 148 degrees. In example 3, 117 is the remote interior, or is the exterior angle, excuse me, and these are my remote interior angles down here. Again, if you tip it sideways, you'll notice that 117 is the exterior, these two are the two remote interior angles. So, what we can say is the exterior angle, which is 117 degrees, is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles, which are 56 and S. Now doing some algebra, to get the S alone, we subtract 56 from both sides. And S equals 117 minus 56, which is 61 degrees. In example 4, 54 is not a remote interior angle. This right here where I put the question mark would be the remote interior angle. So we cannot use the rule of 54 equals the sum of those. That is not true because, again, 54 is not a exterior angle. This one where the question mark is would be an exterior angle, or the one over here would be an exterior angle. So let's think about this a different way. I do know that this is 54 degrees, and I know that the vertical angle below it, since vertical angles are congruent, this angle right here also equals 54 degrees. In the last lesson we learned that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So what I can say is h plus 54 plus 63 equals 180 degrees. Doing some algebra, I can combine my like terms of 54 and 63, giving me h plus 117 degrees equals 180 degrees. To get the h by itself, I need to subtract 117 from both sides, leaving me with h equals 180 minus 117, which is 63 degrees. In example 5, I have my exterior angle C, and I have my two remote interior angles, which are 34 degrees and 112 degrees. So what I can say is my exterior angle C equals the sum of my two remote interior angles, 112 plus 34. Combining like terms, or adding 112 and 34, I get 146 degrees. Again, in angle 6, I'm given my remote exterior angle, given my exterior angle, and I'm only given one of the remote interior angles, which is 118, and we're looking for the other interior angle. So again, I know that the exterior angle is the sum of the two remote interior angles. So let's put that into math and do an equation. 151 degrees equals the sum, or x, plus 118 degrees. To get the x by itself, I subtract 118 from both sides. And 151 minus 118 is 33 degrees.